Ever heard what Paddington Bear once said? Well, it's twisted in San Francisco. Everyone is different, which means anyone can fit in. If you got your sights set on the city's renowned universities, you're in for a treat. It's time to uncover your perfect student heaven in San Francisco. Welcome to 875 Post Street Student Accommodation, your gateway to academic excellence. This incredible student housing offers a variety of room types, from furnished studio rooms to well-appointed non-en suites. Inside each room, you'll find a comfortable bed, a dedicated study desk, ample vanity, and closet space. And the amenities. Prepare to be amazed. There's a dedicated study room for your academic pursuits, a fully equipped common kitchen, and a relaxing lobby area to unwind and bond with fellow residents. Now let's talk location. Perfectly positioned in the Lower Nob Hill, just 5 blocks from the legendary Union Square in downtown. Your new home is a quick 12-minute ride from University of San Francisco and University of Pacific, making those early morning lectures a breeze. And the cherry on top, BART is a mere 10-minute walk away, giving you the power to explore the city at will. Now that you've witnessed the magic of 875 Post Street, it's time to make it your own. Don't miss your chance to live the hero's life. Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your spot today. Because even heroes need a cozy hideout.